Hey guys, welcome back to Team Labata. Today, we're heading to Melbourne for the Easter holiday, and this is actually our second time visiting. The last time we went, we didn't get to explore the Great Ocean Road because of the heavy traffic in Lorne. So this time, we're making sure we don't miss it.
This is all our stuff for Melbourne. This is Celeste. This is Callista. It's so dark. Yeah. And more stuff here. We're on our way to Melbourne now.
Our first stop, Peasant's Nest. We decided to have a lunch here. Gotta refuel both the car and ourselves. Next stop, Bookham. Just a quick stretch and toilet break. It's always good to let the little one move around after sitting in the car for hours. And here we go again, John's famous bush toilet break somewhere near Tarcutta. We've lost track of the exact spot, but hey, when nature calls. Before reaching Wodonga, where we'll spend the night, we were blessed with a stunning sunset. Just look at that. Moments like these remind us to slow down, take it all in, and be grateful for the simple joys that make life truly beautiful. That's it for day one of our Melbourne road trip. Tomorrow is going to be more full of adventures, so stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. From Team Labata, see you on the next one.